Rain sensing wiper. You have seen automatic wiper system in luxury cars, where windshield wiper automatically gets activated when there is rain or some water on the windshield. Electronic wiper is very common device that is attached in every car to wipe the water on the windshield during the rain. But generally they are manually operated, and we need to switch them on manually. In this project, we are going to build an automatic rain sensing car wiper system using Arduino. This circuit automatically detects the rainfall and activates the wiper to clear the windscreen. Here is the connection diagram of this project. Rain sensor module works on 5-volt power supply. Rain sensor module has 3 pins: VCC, ground, and output. Connect the VCC pin with the 5-volt pin, ground pin with the ground pin, and output pin with pin number 7 of Arduino. Servo motor has 3 wires: red, orange, and brown. Connect the red wire with the 5-volt pin, brown wire with the ground pin, and orange wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Orange wire is used to give control signals to the servo motor. This is the code of this project. To control the servo motor, we will first include the servo library in the program. To include the library, we will write in the first line, #include servo.h. Servo space my servo. My servo is a variable which will store the value of the angle at which user wants to rotate the servo. Int pos equals 0. Pos is an integer type variable. We will use it in the for loop. Void setup is a function which run once as soon as the program starts running. My servo.attach 11. It means we have connected the signal pin of servo at pin number 11 of Arduino. Pin mode 7, input. Rain sensor is connected at pin number 7, so we are using pin number 7 as input pin. Void loop. This function continues to execute the code written inside it over and over unless we reset the Arduino hardware board. Digital read is a function which will read the status of pin number 7. If value of pin 7 is low, then it will rotate the servo 180 degree. This for loop will give the value 0 to the variable pos and increase its value by 1 unless it reaches 180. My servo.write pos. It will give the value of pos to my servo. This function will rotate the servo motor 180 degree. Now in the second for loop, we are reversing the values from 180 to 0. Now servo motor will rotate 180 degree in reverse direction. No action will be performed if pin number 7 receives a high signal from the rain sensor. Now write this code on Arduino IDE compiler. Then save the program. Now check the code for any error by pressing this check button. If code is correct, then upload it to the Arduino hardware board. For this, connect the Arduino board with laptop or computer using a USB cable. Now go to the Tools menu and select Arduino Uno. Go to the port option and select the port at which Arduino is connected. Then press this arrow button to transfer the code to the Arduino hardware. Our code is now transferred to the Arduino successfully. Now we will assemble our hardware. First of all, we will take a rain sensor module. We will connect a red wire at its VCC pin, black wire at its ground pin, and yellow wire at its output pin. To connect the servo motor with Arduino, we are using 3 small male-to-male wires. Now connect the red wire of servo motor with 5-volt pin, brown wire with the ground pin, and orange wire with pin number 11 of Arduino. Now connect the red wire of the sensor with the 5-volt pin, black wire with the ground pin, and yellow wire with pin number 7 of Arduino. Now we will power up our project and test its functionality. When we will put some water on the sensor, then motor will rotate clockwise and counterclockwise continuously, as like actual wiper. Our circuit is working perfectly. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something from it. For any help or to clear your doubts regarding your project, you can contact us on our student care number 7007957715. To buy the items used in this project, you can visit our website www.erroltech.com. You can give us the orders on WhatsApp also. Thank you so much.